Hi, good morning. So, this is once again Harmohan Singh Batra, your graphologist is back once again. Yes, first I should thank all of you who made my some writing practice and pattern a good attempt, and they have practiced for a long time. Even till date, many are still practicing day by day basis. I am still getting many informations, many calls about to check their practices and discuss about the benefits, results, corrections. Well, even people those who have practiced but could not able to ask anything or discuss anything, they are most welcome. They can call up anytime. They can put a question. They can ask any question. We can discuss, and further accordingly we can enhance the benefit of the different pattern and writing. Well, dear friends, I was busy in doing some research in graphology, basically on signature. Everyone you know that signature is very important part of the graphology, and many people have their own way of reading it, forecasting it, correcting it, and doing the things so on. After doing many studies of the signature, I thought to give everyone a simple method of analyzing signature and seeing the difference of their own signature, and understanding the logically why we have done this pattern of analysis to make it easily understand the signature analysis. Now, what is that simple method? In signature, we always write name or initial, father name, or initial and surname. These three things we are writing in signature. These three things we are writing in signature. Generally, it is required as per graphology rule. Now, to make it very simple for analysis purpose, or to understand the weightage of signature, the results of signature, the logic of signature, we have divided or given code, or you can say different name to the different section of the signature. As we read numericals, we start with units, then tens, then hundreds, and so on. Same way, can't we read surname as unit, father name or initial as 10, and name of the signature as 100? Yes, we can read. And this later on we'll discuss how this matches with the results. Now surname is again carrying good meaning as per graphology. As per graphology, surname first letter is either mother or wife in case of married person, but a female energy, emotional energy. Other words are considered professional and siblings. So people, those who are writing only one thing, out of these three only one thing, either they write only surname, or they use their father's name or initial, or they are writing their only name or initial. So they are only, I could rather say, stimulate or use unit area of their signature. So results you can expect in the unit area. What percentage will be the results? It will be in units, not beyond that limit, and this you can observe. Same way, if he is writing father name, only father name, now here you will find some contradiction. Father name or husband initial in case of female, married female, is a male energy, but in surname, first alphabet of the surname denotes female energy. So this contradiction of male energy being action part, female energy being emotional part, so this person will be a confused person in handling the situation in profession as well as sibling relations area. Same way, if he is writing his own name and being a male, if he is writing his own name but being a male, same problem. Being a male, he is having action energy, but surname first alphabet denotes female energy, which is emotional energy. So he will again face contradiction between emotion and action energy. So handling of profession as well as relations of sibling will be disturbed. But in this case, a person who writes only one thing, he feels himself quite active, quite smart in handling the things professionally. He will always try to handle profession area, and he will try to prove that he is capable of handling so many things. Now in this case, suppose a female writes only name, so she is getting advantage of that. Being a female, emotional energy, surname first part is again female. So here you might have observed, female writing own name is little better successful than a male writing own name. This is just for a simplification of to know the signature effect and how they will give the result, we have divided into 3 parts. Now we'll be analyzing in combination, that is a different combination of unit, tens and hundred. If we do a permutation combination of all these 3 parts, we could able to establish around 78 types of signature, which we will be discussing in follow through. Every section will be discussed and accordingly, and with this also we have done elemental balancing of the signature. Yes, it's a new topic, it's a new theory, but it has worked with many of us, so we thought we should give this information to all of you, so that you all people also can work on this basis. Now, why elements are considered? Body, nature, universe is made up of 5 elements. In signature, we get maximum 3 capitals, that is name, father name or initial, surname. So if we consider first letters of all these 3, so we'll be having maximum 3 elements if alphabets belongs to different element part. Suppose if we consider all alphabets belong to different element part, so we'll be having maximum 3 elements, but natural balancing requires 5 elements. So if we can add missing 2 elements with symbolic way, that we will be discussing the symbols of all the elements and the benefit with beneficial cycle and opposition cycle, or you can write destruction cycle, so that a wrong symbol under the wrong elemental alphabet should not be used. That we'll discuss in a detail in due course. So 5 elements balancing signature will be given in due course. We have already done many signatures balanced with elements. People, they got very good results, very good feedback, and they are practicing it on regular basis. So I hope everyone will like this topic. Then accordingly we will be further adding up video of the different topic.